What are your actual results? What are you actually expecting to get out of what you're doing? And the reason why I'm coming at you like this is because it's hard to watch people who say they want something and do absolutely nothing about it, right? We all have issues, problems, and we can also actually add on excuses. But you either want results or you want excuses. You can't have them both. Because at the end of the day, we all have been in a position where we didn't know anything. Some of us took time to say, I'm going to focus and learn. Some said, you know what, I'm going to sit and wallow and complain and then go to somebody else and tell them why I need them to do X, Y, Z, or why I'm stuck in the position I'm in, because it's easier to just run my mouth versus actually put some action behind what you're trying to do so you can get those results. We have to start realizing that this economy is super jacked up and there's nothing we can do about it. All we have to do is take care of our household first, put God first, put some action behind what we put ourselves into, and actually see results. If you give yourself time to build, you will get there. But if you sit back and just accept what is and give yourself excuses, that's all you're going to get. Here's my suggestion, right? Now, if you don't have a mentor, if you're like, look, I'm not even ready for a mentor, I just need to make a couple extra dollars because what I'm doing right now, either on my job or for an opportunity that I put myself into, I'm not seeing results, right? This is what you could do. You can either get a mentor, right, that's going to help you, give you steps to lead you to action plan for your results that you need, which is the extra income, building of a team, having self-development, whatever it is you need to do, you need to acquire something in order to reap those benefits, okay? Second thing is you can also hop onto some type of residual cash flow opportunity that will allow you to earn from where you are without having to need a skill set, without needing to stop what you're doing, without having to continuously come out of pocket, where you don't have to focus a lot of time and energy on learning how to be the better you can be to promote an opportunity or a business that you have. Because bottom line is we have to do something. And I'm speaking to people, whether you're online, offline, if you have a job, you need more cash flow. If you have an opportunity online, if you have to consistently recruit, and I know you heard me say this before, you're going to run out of your warm as well as cold market where you have to keep producing a new creative way to get people to join you in a business. And if you have something that's going to allow you to have results, why not take action on that? Whether it's through a mentor or on its own. Because let's just keep it real raw. Because there's no need in tap dancing around what's going on here. Globally, we are in a financial reset. Globally, we are having a lot of financial woes. There are a lot of things that are out of our control, and we have to hold on to what we can control, or at least try to obtain some things that we have more control of. Now, I know y'all hear a lot about crypto and decentralization, and there's a lot of things that could go wrong that don't go wrong. But what about having some things that is going to eliminate the doubt, right? With mathematical certainty, I have something for you. But also, if you are a person, even if you feel like, you know what, I have something phenomenal, I just don't know how to get the word out. I don't know how to continuously be who I am on a continuous basis without having to jump through hoops and hurdles and keep paying out of pocket to grow where I am. Then I have a great opportunity that's going to allow you to take my $1 Million Wealth Bundle for $99. It will allow you to put all that into perspective. And if you're like, you know what, I'm good on that, I really want some residual cash flow or both, then just message me. I'll leave the link down below for you. We can hop on a call. Let's have a wealth chat. What we need to do is take massive action so we can have massive results. We can't sit back and accept what is, because we have to bring on what we need. Period.